I'm extremely nervous. I don't know my lines. I'm gonna make a complete and utter fool of myself.
Sick of the trouble and strife.
Okay, hold on.
Sick of the trouble and strife.
$10,000?
This has to be a joke.
It's not a joke.
Okay, wait. Hold on. Today I'm reacting to an episode from America's Next Top Model where they make the girls go to theater class, rehearse a script, and then perform it. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace.
We're pulling up to this place and I'm like, what is this? And then I see the masquerade faces on the outside. I'm like, we're about to do some acting.
Oh, great. You know, because I know I'm not an actress.
I had one line in my 5th grade play, Let the Journey Begin, so I'm actually really scared about this one.
Well. How you doing?
Could be better.
As models, you may be called on to be a spokesperson, perhaps doing a commercial.
Perhaps.
Speech, presentation, image. You'll be called on to have a lot in your bag of tricks.
Here we are at a school of acting, theater to be exact. I don't think Shakespeare wanted it to be like this. I'm just saying.
I'm going to teach you a dialect, Cockney.
An accent.
I could barely speak English.
Betty bought some butter. Everybody?
Betsy Folks and
Now
Butter.
say it without the T. Betty.
Betty.
Like chitty chitty bang bang talk or Mary Poppins.
Why are we learning this?
Go.
If you want to go,
Go.
go.
Jump up.
Larry would call us out one at a time to mimic
I feel like I did pretty good.
already spoken.
Lordy, if you want to go, go.
I am definitely nervous.
If you
I'm
want
from
to go,
Minnesota,
go.
and to completely change
wanna
the way
go.
I speak is going to be very difficult.
Well, I don't know. If you want to go, go.
Your first word, do it again.
That sounds legit to me. Where are you? She's British. She is British. She's Cockney from the UK. She's from the Cockney area dialects in the UK, right? So he's making them learn a specific accent and he's telling them phrases. If you want to go, go. If you got butter, just say it without the T. That's how we're learning here.
Well, I don't know.
You said, I don't know. Say it again. Lordy,
I don't know.
too far.
If you want to
Too
go,
far.
just go.
If you want to go, go.
Well, I don't know, go. What was the line?
I did like 4 years of drama, so
I can do this. If you want to go, just go.
Yeah, do it again.
Oh.
If you want to go, just go.
Yeah. You do the American quite well.
Well, if you want to go,
She is American. Sir, she is American. He's like, that was a great American. Oh, you are from America. That's good. Good job. I know you went to drama school for 70 years. I can tell. He was all up in the personal space. He's like,
Can you say that again without the T, the butter without the T? Yeah. And if you want to go, you should go. No, not for the. It's not for the exercise. I really want you to leave the area because you're terrible.
well, if you want to go, go.
If you want to go, go.
If you want to go, then go.
I love her.
Okay. There are many indications of Southern in your speech. It's
Wow.
going to be a big handicap.
The other girls speak a little more
Excuse?
clearly than I do, and I know it, so it's going to take time.
Did he say that could be a handicap because of her southern accent? Sir, that's literally where she's from. She didn't sign up for this. It's not as if all these girls signed up for this class. You know, they want to be theater majors. They want to work in film, theater. She's trying to be Juliet. Like, I don't see any of that happening here. So don't come for her accent. Thank you very much. Tiffany had the best take, to be honest with you. I liked her. She's so cute. I love her.
Ladies, take the script home and become the character.
He's giving them a script.
I want you to be Sonny Rose. Memorize it. Be ready tomorrow because you will be tested on this.
Homework.
Sonny
this is
Rose.
Just an all-day challenge for me.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
All right.
What was that accent? Get out of here. Get out of here. Mine was better. I wasn't even trying. How can this man call himself a theater teacher for America's Next Top Model? So he gave them, that was like a full packet right there of a script for them. He was making them become a character called Sonny Rose. There's nothing sunny about this. Or rosy. I gotta check that packet he gave those girls. It was looking kind of thick. Why is he giving them homework? This is a class? He's like, we're taking this seriously. You haven't signed up for this, but here you go.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Take the script home and
Yo, that's...
become the character.
That is stapled right there. Do you see that? Now that it looks like that's quite a few pages. Sunny
No,
Rose.
because all I have so far is flowers. Flowers for sale. I say flowers, flowers for sale. That's it.
The sky's sparkling blue, and the favorite day you'd have trouble finding. What is you talking about, girl? I have to learn how to speak like a girl from England, and she doesn't even know how to talk herself. So
Sounds like it, yeah.
you could tell I'm still from the South. You hear my South coming out.
Flowers.
I quit.
You can't just give up.
Let's read some of the script. Sunny Rose. Well, governor, 'tis nothing out of the ordinary. It's just who I am, pointing her thumb at herself. In fact, me name is Sunny Rose. I'm Sunny Rose, I am. I'm Sunny Rose, I am. Barclay. Well, Sunny, you're in the wrong business. With your talents... Oh, he's supposed to be British. Well, Sonny, you're in the wrong business. With your talents and demeanor, you're a natural born performer. I bet with a little spit and polish, I could make you into something special. That wasn't too bad, right?
Oh, I never. We are going to perform a script that Larry handed to us yesterday. I'm not very
That's
good
like a
at this
real...
whole
That
acting
listen, that's
thing
like a full script right there. But I think the worst part of all is that they have to do this with a certain accent. That's the worst part, okay? Because I can memorize the lines, but I can't do an accent, personally.
I'm feeling really good about my chances of actually winning and doing good. Flowers for sale.
It's the only thing that we remember. Flowers for sale.
We walk inside and Larry's there,
Okay.
our instructor.
There's no people.
Today you're
That's
going
good.
to be tested on what you learned yesterday. But it won't be acting with me, but with a special guest.
He is a over-the-top model, actor, star of Second Time Around and Soul Food on television, Boris Kojo.
Hey.
Hey, Boris, how you doing there?
Boris Kojo is so sexy. No, this can't be happening. This can't be happening.
Oh my God.
That's
I'm so
kind of
hot.
random
I'm
for
gonna have
them
a
to
heart
bring him
attack.
in. Kind of random.
I watched him on movies, and wow, he's here.
I love Tiffany so much.
My mama's gonna pass out. God. I'm gonna mess up in front of him. Great.
This is crazy. They give us a bag and it's full of raggedy old clothes and we're supposed to do our own makeup. And we have to like make it look like we don't have a tooth.
My mind
What?
is just going crazy. I don't know if I could really capture this completely different person.
What is this?
I'm extremely
Why is
nervous.
she
I
missing a
don't know
tooth? Why is that necessary? Tell me how that was not in the script or description of Sunny Rose at all. They're like, you have to be toothless. It doesn't say in the description or the script, but that's how we knew Sunny Rose. Yeah. She was toothless, in fact. Are they going to make that guy also be dressed up in raggedy clothes, is he going to be toothless too? I want to see. Tell me why they have to have them dressed up for this. He's like, no, we really need to feel like we're watching Sunny Rose's life fall apart.
I'm extremely nervous. I don't know my lines. I'm gonna make a complete and utter fool of myself.
I'm
she
going in
looks
there
cute.
today and do the best I can, but now I'm kind of having doubts. I'm a little nervous.
Brittany, you're first.
This man better be dressed up.
Hello there, Governor.
He's not. So tell me why the girls are supposed to be in this costume, this raggedy looking costume, but look at how amazing he looks. Look how beautiful he looks. If the girls have to be toothless, so should he.
Hello there, Governor. Lovely date, isn't it?
I haven't noticed.
Noticed? The suns are shining.
The skies are sparkling blue.
It's a better day.
Kenya, that was
than
good.
this.
And to what, may I ask, do we attribute this positive, sunny attitude?
It's just who I am. I'm Sunny Rose, I am.
I'm Sunny Rose, I am.
Sunny Rose. Well, you're in the wrong business, Sunny. You're a natural born performer.
Wait, where's his accent? No. Where is that British accent? These girls were up day and night memorizing the script. They literally put nail polish on their tooth for this and wore questionable, kind of cute outfits, but also a little raggedy, and had to speak in a Cockney accent, only to be responded back to, only to have this good-looking man show up in the, button up, speaking in an American accent. Are we not in the same place, sir? And then he's not even wearing the clothes. He's not looking raggedy either. I can't let this slide. Khalas, I can't. Yeah, we have to penalize him.
Are you trying to run me up the apples and pears?
I don't think so.
Because I've known plenty of blokes.
Just try not to laugh.
Sick of the trouble and strife.
Okay, hold on.
Sick of the trouble and strife.
Excuse me?
Telling porcupines to try to take advantage of some young, unexpected lass. Hold on. Telling porcupines.
Porky pies. What is this script?
Flies, wives, porcupines.
Next.
Hello there, Governor. Lovely day, isn't it?
I'm always
She's so
working
cute.
very hard and putting forth my best effort. I feel really good about this challenge.
Rose. Oh, beautiful Rose. Call me.
Call me. You gonna leave your number?
Life fashion model.
Thank you.
She really took it. She was really into it. She's like, real life. She's putting in 100% effort. Who's next? Sunny Rose, part 17. Okay. Cairo. You guys haven't met Cairo yet, but here he is. Come here, تعال حبيب قلبي انت. تعال, come here. I'll pet you. Come here. I don't know if I've introduced Cairo yet, but this is him.
Michelle, you're on.
Michelle has 4 years of theater. I think she's my toughest competition here.
Oh, well, hello there, Governor. Lovely day, isn't it?
Haven't noticed.
Haven't noticed? The other girls, they've been winning challenges, and it's like, finally, this is something that, I could possibly win. A real-life fashion model. Well, I rocked it. I just felt amazing.
Maybe again.
I say flowers for sale.
I love her outfit.
Hello there, Governor.
Tiffany was a southern girl from a plantation down in Alabama.
Oh, the sun's shining. The stars
She's so
are
cute.
blue.
She was in her own movie.
Trouble and strife. Trying to.
I love her.
I'm sitting there looking at Boris. He's looking at me. I'm looking at him like, hey, Boris, go with the next line. He didn't try to help me out a little bit. He kept looking at me. I'm really embarrassed. But, I don't care about missing tests.
That's the best attitude. Like, who cares? Love that. I think they all did a great job. I definitely believe the Sunny Rose character. And the outfits were good. The makeup was good. I liked everyone's portrayal of Sunny Rose.
Welcome back. Great job, guys.
Brittany.
Right here.
I loved your accent.
Thank you.
Tatiana. Don't get thrown by trying to look for the words or for the lines that you missed.
Kaylin.
Yeah, Kaylin, I think half of your scene would have been bleeped out. You swore and cursed. Christina skipped a couple pages.
Yeah.
I would have done the same thing.
Didn't have any eye contact.
Rebecca.
Would like to have seen more passion, commitment.
I took his criticism and just, nodded my head, but I'm very disappointed.
Naima, good accent.
Flirtatious.
It's very good. Kenya.
Flirtatious.
Playing, flirting, eye contact, all good. Tiffany. Love the hat. So now,
What?
we announced the winner. Now the winner gets.
Let's have that fanfare.
He doesn't give her any comment. He's like, that was
$10,000 in
nice.
diamonds to share with 2 friends.
$10,000?
This has to be a joke.
It's not a joke.
Okay, wait. Hold on. $10,000 in diamonds there was a prize for this? That would have been nice to have mentioned before they became the Sunny Rose. So before we see who wins, today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Listen, you deserve the best. And I mean in every aspect of life, especially when it comes to websites. And Squarespace is offering you the best. There's no other way to describe. Look at these options. They give you an online store. You want to sell your presets, like I'm already doing. My presets are up. You can accept payments through your online store, through Squarespace. It's literally all in the platform. And if you don't want to sell presets, you want to sell merch or something else, you can do that on your website. It's easy to do, it's easy to set up. They also offer so many beautiful portfolio and gallery options. So however you want to display your work, you can do that. Say you changed your mind. Your mind has changed. You want to switch up how your images look on your website. A few clicks of a button. You can add space in between the pictures. You can make the pictures larger, smaller. You can do a photo carousel. You want the pictures to be moving. I mean, anything is possible because it's customizable. It's fully customizable to whatever you're envisioning. And another thing that they have are appointments. So you can literally book appointments through your website. Your clients can access your services there, and you can display your services through Squarespace and also accept payments. You can send out reminders. The possibilities are endless. Okay, you could do group classes, workshops, everything through appointments through your Squarespace website, which makes it easy. You can start a free trial by going to squarespace.com, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Jessica. Use my offer code Jessica for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. All the information will be in the description. So if you're telling me that the prize is $10,000 in diamonds, I would have just became toothless entirely. But you didn't mention, well, why not mention that in the beginning? I feel like that would give them more of like motivation to do a good job. That would at least inspire me. Money, right? It's an inspiration to many of us. All I'm saying is Sunny Rose needs to pay the bills. I didn't know there was a winner for any of this. I just thought, become toothless, wear the raggedy clothes from the garbage bag, be British. Nothing was mentioned about a prize. Listen, if I know there's a prize involved, of course, yes, I'm going to put in effort. I'm going to do a little something, something special. I love prizes and I love surprises. But not if the surprise is not good.
$10,000 in diamonds to share with 2 friends.
No. This has to be a joke.
It's not a joke.
You sure?
$10,000 worth of diamonds. Did you hear me? I said 10.
And now let us announce the winner.
Naima or Kenya?
Naima.
Oh.
Naima, come up here.
Yeah, she did a really good job.
Yeah.
Naima, pick me.
Now, you have to announce your 2 friends.
Now, are we splitting the 10K?
Michelle, give her a hand.
Oh, that's so
May have got
cute. She
second
picked
best,
Michelle.
but I'm getting diamonds.
And Tatiana.
Ain't this about a bitch? Tatiana, she got the nerve to get some diamonds. I'm upset.
Later, Tiffany. Take care. Good luck.
Did I hate the challenge in the beginning? Yeah, I did. But do I hate it now that I know that the prize was $10,000 in diamonds? I love it. I love this challenge. Hello, Governor. It's a great challenge. It's great. I've never heard of anything like it. Final thoughts. Definitely would have liked them to mention the 10K diamonds before all of this. I think that changes things a little. Don't you? Don't you, Pipsy? I mean, if that's what it takes, I'll become British. How do I sign up for the citizenship? How do I apply? What government website do I need to go on? This is what I'm asking here. Asking